If you're an iPhone user and you create content with your phone and you haven't used this brand new app yet called DualShot Recorder, you have been living under a rock and you're missing out on a ton. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through a tutorial of how to use DualShot Recorder and why it is an app that you need not now, but right now. DualShot Recorder has been taking the content streets by storm because of its legendary ability to help us record in both vertical and horizontal at the same time. So this is something that other apps have tried, but it's pretty much given us access to our front camera and back camera, but we could not have multi formats. So let's go ahead and open the app. I just wanted to make sure you all knew what it looked like, and you can open it. Oh, and at the time that it started, it was at $6.99, but at the moment, I believe it's at $9.99. Super worth it, one-time purchase. Go ahead and grab it today. So when we open the app here, we see we have our vertical image, and we also have our horizontal image here that we can move around if we need to, just to see. Like, this doesn't necessarily get bigger, but we know that it's recording because it's there. Now, Derrick just released this not too long ago, but he's already made some awesome updates, and here are a few updates that we have from this screen alone. You see, we have the opportunity to do time lapse, and then when we're recording, now we have the ability to go ahead and press pause as well and continue our recording before we press stop. And that just goes to our camera roll. Now, if you wanted to use your front camera, the thing that you would need to do is go ahead and press single lens. And when you press single lens, you can also go ahead and flip that camera around. And now you can see yourself and get your framing together. But you see, I have my vertical self, and then I also have my horizontal self. So you might just want to check your headroom and do whatever you need to do, but you get both recordings at the same time. And it's the same situation where you can press record, do whatever you need to do. If you need to pause, go to a different location, that's also available to you, and you can play it again and then press stop. Now, some of the other features that we have in here is through the settings. This is a very simple app. You don't have to do too much, but if you want to record in 4K, you have the option. You have the option for 1080. You have the option for various frame rates and how big you want these files to be inside of your actual device. You have all of these things here. Even people are asking for Apple Log, which if you don't know what to do with that, don't mess with it. You can put it in MOV or MP4, but these are just some of the things that he's done. This is an app that I suggest that every single content creator or anybody who needs to document themselves or an event or an occurrence has in their arsenal, because what better way to ensure that you can edit it however you need by getting everything at once. You can record horizontal and vertical at the same time, and it'll be right there inside of your camera roll when you are ready to view it. So we see here we have the vertical version and we also have the horizontal version. Whether you continue to edit inside of your phone or you go ahead and bring it over to your computer, you get both options either way. This is, everybody says it, but this is truly a game changer as a person who creates content frequently. And I have struggled in editing, or even in the moment trying to make a decision on if I want this vertical or horizontal. This app has changed that, and now it is my number one go-to for when I want to record anything. I find myself going straight to this app. Like I said, it's a one-time purchase. Derrick has already told us that anything that he updates, and he's listening to us because he's a creator himself, he's going to give it to everybody who already purchased it. No in-app upgrades or subscriptions, to where a lot of people have adopted the subscription model now and are forcing us to be able to do that, to stay on board with all of the updates. It's been number one for weeks. It's actually number one in about 20 different countries from what I've seen. But yeah, if you are a creator, you do anything dealing with video, grab both assets. You never know when and how it's going to come in handy for yourself or for your editor, being able to go between both formats and have a choice. So go ahead and grab it. It's literally like $10 right now. You have no excuse. Before I go, the other thing that I really also like is that it also pairs with your external recorders. So anything that you can plug into your phone, you can go ahead and do it, and it syncs up. So now you have quality audio on your horizontal and your vertical video. So you have no excuses, friends. Why are you not creating?